Okay, so I'm recording this video because I have my shredder here, my paper shredder. It's dusty, I know, but I'm shredding papers. I've done it a couple times, but I noticed that every time I shred a paper, she does this funny thing. So I'm going to record her, see if she does it again. I recorded this earlier. I tried to, but she wouldn't react, and maybe because the light of my phone was on and it was grabbing her attention. It's really, really bright. But I'm going to try to get a pile of more papers and see if she reacts to the paper shredder noise. So it's going to be loud, but let's see what happens. See if Sumi reacts. She's not reacting. You can tell she looks freaked out, but she's not really. So earlier she was like getting up. She looked like a little gopher or something. But now she's not really doing anything. She's just sitting there. She looks freaked out, but she's not. Let's see. Let's try it one more time. I'm gonna move this closer to her, see what happens. She's scared. She's so scared of it. She just looks freaked out, pero ya no se mueve. She was moving around earlier. Let me get it closer to her. She was kind of trying to get on top of the shredder, and she was stretching really, really long. She looks so funny. Let me try to do it. I'm sorry. Let me. She ran away. Okay, she's no longer doing it, so I'll just stop. Oh, wait. She's getting closer. She's getting closer. I'm going to let her get closer, and I'm going to start piling some more papers together and see what happens. I'm doing laundry right now. Let's see if she stretches up again. There she goes. She's trying to look into it. See? She's so curious about it. Oh, poor baby. Look how long she looks. She looks so big, so long. Okay, let's put some paper in here. See if she reacts. Mugrosa Sumi! Get over here. You scared, Sumi? You scared of the paper shredder? Alright, pues no lo hizo. She didn't do it, so.